Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Wiley login issues, subscription and institution errors step by step clearly. When experiencing login issues with Wiley, first ensure your internet connection is stable. Double check the spelling of your username and password for any errors. If you cannot remember your password, utilize the Forgot Password link to reset it. After receiving the reset email, follow the instructions provided to create a new password. If you are using an institutional account, confirm with your institution that your enrollment is active. Visit your institution's library or academic support page for additional login details specific to Wiley. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as this can resolve potential access problems. Try logging in using a different web browser or device to rule out compatibility issues. Disable any browser extensions that might interfere with the login process. If you're still encountering issues, look for system status updates on Wiley's website to check for known outages. Reach out to Wiley's customer support for assistance if all else fails. When contacting support, provide detailed information about the error message you receive. If your institution manages the subscription, consult them for assistance with access rights. Ensure that your Wiley subscription is current and has not expired. In some cases, logging in through your institution's portal may provide access if direct login fails. Remember that sometimes issues may arise from Wiley's servers themselves, so patience may be necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.